In this video, we will show you how to fix Facebook that keeps crashing on a Samsung Galaxy S22. App crashes aren't serious, especially if the app in question is a third party. Most of the time, such an issue is just due to a minor glitch with the app or the system. If you're one of the users bugged by this issue, the first thing you have to do is to close Facebook and then reopen it. Most of the time, it's the only thing you need to do to be able to use the app properly again. To do that, tap the recent key to view apps running in the background. Try finding Facebook, and then swipe up on it to close it. After doing that, launch the app again and see if the problem still persists. If it still does, then the next thing you need to do is the forced restart, which will refresh your phone's memory and reload all apps and services. This will be enough to fix app crashing issues like this, especially if they're due to some minor glitches in the system. To force restart your phone, press and hold the volume down button and the power key together for 8 seconds. Doing so will trigger your phone to shut down and power back up. Once the Samsung logo shows on the screen, release both keys and let the device continue the boot process. When the reboot is complete, launch Facebook again to see if it still crashes at some point. If it still does, then it's an issue with the app. The next thing you should do is to clear the app's cache and data, which will reset it back to its default settings. Aside from that, its saved files will be deleted and replaced once you tried using it again. To do that, go to the screen where the Facebook icon can be found. Tap and hold on its icon until the options menu shows. Tap the app info icon. Scroll down a bit and tap storage. Tap clear cache to delete the saved caches. Tap clear data and then select OK to confirm you want to delete its saved data and configuration files. After doing that, launch Facebook again to see if the problem is fixed. If this doesn't fix the problem either, then you have no other choice but to reinstall the app, which means you have to uninstall it first. To do that, go to the screen where you can find Facebook's icon. Once found, tap and hold on it until the options menu shows. Tap uninstall, and then tap OK to confirm. Once the app is successfully uninstalled, launch the Play Store and search for Facebook. Tap install and wait until it's installed on your device. After that, it should work properly without the crashes. We hope that this troubleshooting guide can help you. Please support us by subscribing to our channel. Thanks for watching.